Hey friends, Wayne over here at the Ram Man Ink. Don't forget the ink. Hey, a couple months ago, 6 weeks ago or something, I made a video or two, hell I can't remember, but I was talking about how I could tell how somebody had taken an original 222-9171, which was a 1-inch board that came out in 70 for, we call it the TA master cylinder, whatever. But those master cylinders did not have a piston stop bolt. Only the Hemi had a piston stop bolt. 222-9191. Hemis had the piston stop bolt. 9171s did not. 1-inch bore and a Hemi, 1 1/8" bore. Basically, they's brothers and sisters to each other, or big brother and little brother. So, somebody at some point in time, this being cast iron, machined, welded on, ground it. Cast iron's a little bit of a bitch, but they went to that extent to fool somebody back in the day on a Hemi car that was a Hemi master cylinder. That's what they were trying to do. I've never seen anybody go to that extent in, I don't know, all 30 years, and then Uncle Ron, Uncle Joe, they haven't seen it either. We've seen some glued on shit, some engineered shit, but, somebody went to town here. They didn't do that on one cold beer on Sunday morning before church. In the 3-piece. Didn't happen. So, we're going to send it back off and let him have his master cylinder back. So, Hemi's got a stop bolt. 9171s don't. Retainer screw. Remember, that's what is for the front of that booster. On that Bendix booster. That diamond cutout. So he bolts flush. Okay. See you guys later. Bye.